TeleMessage text archiving for the Telus mobile network. TeleMessage text archiving for the Telus mobile network allows Telus customers to capture text messages and archive them in any enterprise archive. The workplace of today is a different environment. An ever-growing component of employee communications is moving to mobile devices. Emails are being replaced with text messages, calls, and other mobile messaging channels. Mobile phones are being used by organizations and employees for an ever-increasing share of business communication. For highly regulated industries like government and finance, these mobile communications come with a burden. They need to comply with regulation and to archive text messages. The most common text archiving regulations are in the government sector, where legislations like Access to Information Act, PIPEDA, and PHIPA are driving text message archiving. Similarly, financial firms are required to archive text messages to comply with IIROC, MFDA, FSRA, and similar regulatory demands for mobile chat and communication archiving. Similar mobile archiving requirements exist in other verticals. To avoid violations of state or federal law, as well as financial regulations, organizations are required to maintain and present all text messages sent to constituents, stakeholders, colleagues, or customers outside of the company's network. Unlike other text archiving solutions that might require installing apps or changing employees' habits to capture text messages, Telus text archiving can capture and archive all native SMS messages without the need for app installation, nor changes to employee habits, companies' workflows, or other business processes. Telus text archiving allows your employees to exchange text messages while all text communication is captured and archived securely with no user effort. If they need to travel, text messages are captured and archived even while your employees are roaming. Easy to set up, configure, launch, and maintain. The TeleMessage text archiving for the Telus network entails no app download, no user effort, and no changes in messaging behavior. It's the painless way for government, finance, and other organizations to record and archive their employee SMS communications. All SMS and content are backed up on the company on-premise servers or an archiving cloud provider of your choice, ready for download, search, and e-discovery. Your organization can choose where to store the Telus text from a variety of leading compliance and archiving vendors. So whether you're discussing official business, approving transactions, or finalizing details, you need to be sure you're in compliance. Store text messages in the cloud or on-prem. Provide information for public record requests, investigations, claims, e-discovery cases, and more. Run searches based on sender or recipient number, text, date range, message type. Get TeleMessage text archiving for Telus today and answer all your mobile archiving and compliance requirements.